Hi, I'm Yasmin, owner of Skin and Laser Specialist here in Dundrum. So in this video we're going to speak about the SPFs and the importance of wearing SPF. So we live in Ireland and a lot of people think, unfortunately, by living in Ireland with no sun, etc., that we don't need to wear SPF. It's not true. It's so important for us to wear SPF because we get damage from everything. So if we don't leave the house or watching TV, once we open our curtains, that's when the light damage starts. So Image would have a variety of different ranges of your SPF itself. So they have a sports spray, so if you don't like that creamy kind of feeling, you would spray this onto the face. There's also your cream base, so they're both 50, the spray and the cream of the 50. And then you also have a hydrating one, so it's a factor 30. And there is also two other types as well. The tinted, which is also 30, so it's oil free, so it's really good for anybody that suffers from acne skin. It'd be the factor 30 and also the 32, which is matte form. And again, that is oil free as well, so it's completely safe to use. So by applying the SPFs every single day to your skin, it's going to protect us from UVA and UVB. Our most important ingredients is inside, such as zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. So a little bit every day will help protect your skin from early aging and also any pigmentation as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video and do follow our instructions on how important it is to use your SPF. If you have any questions at all, just pop into any of the Havanas. We'll be happy to assist you in the right direction to help you pick the correct SPF to suit your skin, so we can prevent any aging and also any sun damage to your skin. If you enjoyed this video and you do want to try the Image SPF, please follow the link below.